Navigating the cloud marketplace platform. Top features you need to know. The cloud marketplace is a powerful tool for businesses and individuals seeking digital solutions. Understanding its top features can streamline your experience and maximize benefits. Let's dive into the essentials. Wide range of services. One of the standout features of the cloud marketplace is the extensive variety of services available. From software as a service, SaaS, to infrastructure as a service, IaaS, you can access everything you need in one place. This allows for easy comparison of options, enabling you to select the service that best fits your needs. Simplified procurement. Another crucial feature is simplified procurement. Cloud marketplaces provide a user-friendly interface, making it easy to purchase, deploy, and manage services. This reduces the time spent on procurement processes and lets businesses focus on core operations instead of administrative tasks. Intelligent recommendations. Many cloud marketplaces employ intelligent algorithms to recommend products tailored to your specific needs. By analyzing your usage patterns and preferences, these recommendations can save you time and help you discover tools that may enhance your productivity. Integration capabilities. Integration capabilities are vital to ensure that various services work seamlessly together. Look for marketplaces that offer straightforward integrations with existing tools and software. This connectivity fosters collaboration across your team and improves overall efficiency. Security and compliance. Finally, security should always be a priority. Reputable cloud marketplaces provide robust security features and ensure compliance with industry regulations. Always vet the security measures in place before committing to any platform. By understanding these key features, you can navigate the cloud marketplace with confidence and make informed decisions that benefit your business. Want to learn more? Visit our website www.appsbaba.cloud.